In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $1,000 in my first full week of affiliate marketing with no money, and how you can replicate my process and make money for yourself for absolutely free. Now, this is one of the very few methods that is still relevant for driving traffic to your affiliate links in 2024. I researched a lot before applying this method because I did not want to burn my money in paid ads straight away, just like most of the beginners do. And yes, don't worry, I will not try to sell you any course or something like that. This video is going to be absolutely free and I will show you exactly what worked for me. In return, you can simply like the video, which will motivate me to make more such videos. Now let's dive straight into the source. So first of all, this is the proof. As you can see on my Digistore24 affiliate dashboard, I got almost 1000 clicks for this product and I got 4 sales. All of the traffic that I got on my affiliate link is completely organic, and maybe that's the reason the EPC on this product, which stands for earnings per click, is pretty decent. Generally, your EPC should be over $1. I will show you exactly how I got the traffic just in a minute. So the very first thing that you need to do is go to Digistore24.com. Then simply click on Get Started, which will take you to this page where you need to fill in your basic information and create your free account for Digistore24. Once you have created your account successfully, it will take you to this dashboard page. Now you need to click on Marketplace and click on All Offers on the Affiliate Marketplace, which will show you something like this. Now this is the marketplace from where you can see all the products that you can promote on Digistore24. It is one of the best affiliate marketing platforms that you can use to make money. Now here in the product category section, we can see there are a bunch of different categories that you can choose from. All of these different categories have a lot of different products inside. You can choose according to the category that you want to sell in. So for example, if I click on this digital products, I can see a lot of different subcategories as well. So for example, here's the animals and pet niche, here's the betting system, business and investment, fashion, fiction, travel, and a lot more. Now, I always recommend you to select a niche that you are interested in. In my case, as I'm really interested in making money online and such topics, I choose this niche, which is online marketing and e-business. Once I click on this, I'll see a lot of different products in this specific niche that I can promote. I can see 160 products. Then I will go through all these different products and see which one I could sell. So in my case, I always look for a product that has more than $100 of commission, which means it is a kind of high ticket product. Now the reason why I only like to promote the products that have more than $100 of commission is because, for example, if there is a product like this which gives me only $13 of commission on each sale, I have to make a lot of sales to make $1,000 or $10,000 a month. But if I am promoting a product like this which gives me more than $100 or $200 of commission on each sale that I get them, it will be very easy for me to reach my financial goals. So in my case, the product that I chose was this Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. So there were a few reasons why I particularly choose. First, I already told you. Second one is because I already know this person, as I watch a lot of YouTube videos and he's a pretty big YouTuber and people are already familiar with his face. And I have personally tried his course and I really thought that it is worth promoting. So as you can see, he's giving 50% commission on every sale and the average commission is $239, which is pretty insane. So once I have selected the product that I want to promote, I will get the affiliate link. Now the biggest mistake that a lot of beginner affiliate marketers do is directly promoting the link to the sales page. But I did not do that. What I did is I clicked on the affiliate support page and then I clicked on promote Tube Mastery, and then I found this webinar that I can promote instead of the direct sales page. Now this webinar is completely free that he's providing before actually selling the actual product. So what will happen when I promote this particular link for the webinar, everyone who will click on the link will be redirected to his free training. In this free training, he's providing some proof of the income and how he was able to scale this business to $30,000 to $40,000 per month. Now it is a really important step because most of the people just directly try to sell it. But if you will provide free information and free knowledge before selling anything, the chances of selling that product increases drastically. So from here, we will get our affiliate link, which is for the free webinar. Next step, which is the most important step of this video, which separated me from other beginners in the affiliate marketing niche, is creating a funnel or creating a landing page. Now, it might sound like a little bit technical to you, that how would I make a funnel and all this, but believe me, you need zero technical knowledge. A funnel or a landing page is simply a web page which will capture the emails of the people who will click on the link. And that's it. Now, how it is going to help us to get more sales. So for example, if someone simply click on the link and they provide us the email address, then they check out the product, then they see through the product, but did not buy the product at that particular time, then we can send them automated emails daily or weekly, first by providing some free value and then pitching the offer again. If someone is clicking on your link, that means they are already interested in buying the product. And this kind of traffic is known as the warm traffic. And if the person is already interested in buying the product, you would not like to lose that lead. So this landing page and this one-page funnel will help you to capture all the emails of the people who are a little bit or more interested in the product. Now, the platform that I use to create a simple funnel or landing page is Go High Level. It is really simple to create a funnel in Go High Level, and you can create some automations, email automations, which will be sent to your customers regularly whenever you want. You do not really have to work on your email list or your funnel once you have created an automation in Go High Level. So now we have got the affiliate product, we have got the landing page, we have got the affiliate link. What's next? Now we're going to simply promote the product. And the method that I used is social media, and particularly TikTok and Instagram. Now, hang tight, it is not the usual method that most of the people do. Most of the people just create a TikTok account, then download some random videos from other people and then repost the videos. No, that doesn't work anymore. What I exactly did was create 3 different TikTok accounts and 3 different Instagram pages, on which I will upload 3 types of different videos to promote the same product. On the first account, I created the AI generated videos in which I would provide some real value to the customers. In the second account, I uploaded video that had some copyright free videos in the background, which was overlaid by some simple motivating text, something like this. On the third account, I uploaded some pictures with some valuable and informative text in them, something like this. Now, what would I do? I upload 10 times on each account every single day for 7 days. Now, let's do some simple math. So I would create 30 different videos every single day, and I will upload them on 2 different accounts, one on TikTok and one on Instagram, which means I was uploading 60 videos every single day on social media promoting my products. Now, there's a ratio. If you upload almost 100 to 200 videos on TikTok, there are very high chances that one of the videos will go viral to some extent. I'm not saying millions and millions of views, but maybe some 100,000 or 200,000 views, which is sometimes enough to get you some decent sales. So if I upload 60 videos every single day and do it for 7 days, there are 480 videos that I upload in a week. We never know which one of the videos might get viral. So after uploading these videos for 7 days, these were my results. But make sure whichever product you are promoting, first you need to do a thorough research on TikTok and Instagram, which video is trending and have the most number of likes and views in that particular niche. Because of this organic promoting strategy, I was able to get these results. Now, what about moving forward? So I'm planning to scale this and automate this. Once I start making, let's say, $4,000 to $5,000 a month, I will automate the process. I will get someone to make the videos for me, then I will get someone to post the videos for me, and I will increase the volume so I can get more and more organic views on my videos. And moreover, I'm gonna run paid ads to promote the same product. and the audience that I will target in the ads will be the same audience that are watching my videos. Now it is going to increase my conversion rate drastically because these people are already interested in my videos. So if I target them, there are higher chances that they click on the video and buy the product. Now the question is, if you apply the same method, will you get exactly the same results? Maybe and maybe not, because it really depends on the quality of the videos that you upload and the information and the knowledge that you provide in the videos. But one thing that I can assure you, you will get the results if you keep the consistency up and increase the volume as much as possible. Both quality and quantity matters in this business. Please do not expect any wild or crazy results on the first or the second day you start this business. This was the strategy that worked for me, and there are chances it will work for you as well. But I can assure you one thing, when you will try this, you're going to face a lot of problems, and I know exactly the problems that you will face. I will make a detailed step-by-step tutorial on this whole process, teaching you everything in the most detailed manner possible. So make sure you subscribe the channel for the upcoming tutorial videos, and you stay tuned with my videos. And again, I never try to sell you any courses or something like that. I just try to provide the value for free as much as possible. That's it for the video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.